Russell fam. Today we're going to be doing a Coke and Mentos experiment. We have our safety glasses, and if you're going to try this at home, I recommend a parent supervision and some safety glasses or sunglasses if you have any.
Alright, so what we need for this experiment is we need two 2-liter bottles of Diet Coke. We need one in the refrigerator long enough to get cold, and then you need a room temperature Diet Coke, and you need a pack of Mentos, which say chewy mints. Okay, make sure it says that, and then you need to be outside because this does make a mess. Alright, and like Bailey said, make sure you have a parent to help you with this. Alright, so what we're going to do is we are going to get out 4 mints out of the package. Hang on a second, let Bailey open it. Can you get it?
I got it.
Okay.
Hard though. 1, 2, 3,
I'll be sitting in a chair.
4. Okay. Now what you want to do is you want to stack them in your hand, kind of, like this.
Get them all in a row.
Okay.
Hold it up so we can see.
Yes, fam, look, they're all in a row.
Alright, so now we're going to open the room temperature. Hey Becca, grab the Mentos and get them away.
Can't wait to see this.
Alright, get them all back in your hand in a row.
Okay, ready, yours, fam?
And drop them in there all at once. Oh, goodness.
Glad we didn't do
Woo!
that outside.
Yep, that's why we do it outside.
Never do this with any experiment, but I'm just doing this.
It says we can taste a little bit of it, and make sure that you always ask a parent, or the book tells you you can taste some of it. Alright, it's still going crazy. Alright, now let's open.
Becca, hand me.
Alright, Bailey, open it. Can you get it out first?
Oh, the cap?
Crazy.
You got 4 of them out?
No, I'm getting them.
Okay.
I just got wet.
I know.
Okay, I really think that this one's going to shoot higher because this one's cold.
Alright, we'll see what happens.
And our dog got covered in Coke.
Yeah, Buddy is too. He's out here helping us.
I'm gonna stay right here
You gonna stay right there, sis?
in the grass.
Now do you know why I said I have a parent supervision and safety glasses?
Alright, here we go. Oh, wow. What happened? What was the difference?
That one shot higher.
The cold one did not shoot near as high, did it? It went slower. Help your sister get a taste. You want a taste of it, sis?
I'm gonna touch it.
Okay, you just want to touch it. Do they taste different or they taste the same?
This one's a little colder, so it tastes better.
Alright, so put it back on the table because we got a big old mess. Alright, so that
My
one.
dad's going to be surprised when he comes out here.
Alright, so.
Come on.
Alright, Russell fam, if you look, you will see that there are still bubbles in this one. There's no bubbles in that one. We're going to move this party inside because it's getting a little windy out here. Alright, what did the Diet Coke taste like after it made the fountain? That's the one that made the fountain. What did it taste like?
It tastes regular.
Did it taste flat?
It did.
Alright. It tells you that after you made the fountain, there wasn't enough carbon dioxide in the Diet Coke. That's because the Mentos helped it all escape. The chewy Mentos have tiny pits across their surface. You can see them if you look at the Mentos with a powerful magnifying glass. These pits attract the carbon dioxide, which allows the carbon dioxide to form bubbles. These bubbles can rise out of the carbon dioxide, and that's what happened in that one. It made a huge fountain. All right, so the one that didn't make the huge fountain was the one that was
Cold.
the cold one.
The cold one wasn't as flat.
That's right. So when we did the second experiment, what was different between the fountain made with the room temperature Diet Coke and the cold Diet Coke? That one made the bigger fountain.
Yep.
But this one tasted better.
That one did taste better because the carbon dioxide was still in it. Because it didn't fizz and bubble as much as that one did.
But this one came out slower and it had a bunch more. It just didn't shoot all the way up.
Right, because it didn't release as much carbon dioxide. That one kept the carbon dioxide in it because it was colder. All right? You should have noticed that in this case of the cold Diet Coke, the fountain wasn't nearly as impressive. That's because cold water can actually dissolve a lot more gas than warm.
Really?
In other words, water can keep a gas dissolved better the colder it is. So in the case of the cold Diet Coke, not as much carbon dioxide could escape, even with the help of the Mentos. As a result, the fountain was way smaller. So, we learned that the coldness slowed everything down, right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, so was this a fun experiment?
Yes, and we're going to have some more experiments probably coming up.
All right, so what do we do?
Smash that like button and subscribe.
Get off video games, go outside and have some fun.
Bye.